Hello everyone. So I'm performing the last homework that we have. So I'm trying to create a new customer on the website of cat files using the data file. So all the information I store them on this data file, like the username, the password, the full name, the company, the email, and everything. So I create a project, Maven project, add customer using file. So I create a public class. I call it adding data using testNg. Now I store my web driver, and I assign it like object for web driver, and I store some strings like the links to the environment, the browser description, the full name, the company, the email, the phone, the address, the city, and everything. And I use the by element, and I store uh, all like the link that I need. Maybe I will use them on the future. So I use the XPath and they have I store them there like it's global. So I create a class like public void get the value from the files. So I make it input stream. I get subject value. So it equal to the new file input stream and the link, the path. Yeah, the path to the data file. And there's the property one new property. So prop load the value. So I need to load all those value and assign them to the variable, the string variable that I already stored at the top. Like the links to the environment, URL, username, password, browser, everything is stored here. And I use inside the try and catch for the exception. And I create another class for the using browsers. Like we see, I have three browsers here. Yeah, Chrome, Edge, and Safari. So I make the even else condition. So only one that we can use. So the first one is Chrome. So I set the property WebDriver, and this is the path to the my driver. So if we choose Chrome, the test will run with Chrome. And else, if the browser is equal is in your Edge, so it will run with Edge. And same thing for Safari. And if there is no browser chosen from those, it will show no browser selected. So I use the system print no browser selected if there is nothing chosen from those. And I call driver to manage and delete all cookies. Driver get the links to the environment is this one to go to the catface.com and drive manage window maximize drive manage timeout and simplicity wait 10 seconds. And I have another public void is the class. So for the login test, I have the driver find the element username field that we have here with by the XPath and send the key that we'll get from the username from here. The username is the democodvice.com. And same thing for the password and click and they make like I can do web driver wait. I can object wait for 10 seconds. Wait until expected condition visibility of element located dashboard header field. That's what we have on the top. And they make the validation assertion. Assert equal driver found element dashboard header field get text and compare it to this text. If it's different, so we will see error and get this message. Drive found element customer button, click, add customer field, click, and we need to validate the page too. So we need driver find element dashboard, the new customer field is displayed. If it's not, so we will get this message. So and we call the driver to find element the full name field and send key the full name. That's the same name that what we have here, full name. And we have here a company that we have a list and we need to choose one. So I use the select method. So on select by visibility text company. So the company is same thing here. Yeah, the company is TechFios. So we should be choose TechFios. And driver, so it's the same thing for the email, the phone, the address, city and zip code, and the same method for select for the country field. So to choose the country. So the country is here is Panama. And same thing for the group. And at the end, so driver find the element and save it a new customer and click on it. It should be saved all those information. And at the start we have the alert testing. So I call the driver to find the sign button field and click without the password. So I tell the driver to switch to the alert and get text and assign it to this variable string the actual array text user, and I make the assertion and call it and compare it the actual array text user to the alert validation text that what we have stored here. Yeah, the alert validation. Please enter your username. And compare it with the actual array text that we have. If it's different, we should have alert message not found. So I use the train catch inside the and I use the thread sleep for 5 seconds so to have time to read the text. I didn't use this one before, but I didn't see nothing because it goes so fast. And I called the driver to switch to the alert and accept it. And for the second test, I have the driver find element. So right now we send the username and without the password, and let's see what will happen. So the driver sign button field and click. So I make the assertion assert driver switch to the alert and get the text and compare it to the actual alert text that what you have. If it's different, we will get this message alert message not found, and they make it the same thing 5 seconds, and they got the driver to switch to the alert and accept it. At the end, the same thing. So have a public void tear down. I made 5 seconds before the driver close and quit. Those 5 seconds did give us time to see the list customers. So to verify if the full name that that what we send inside we save inside if it appear on the list. So let's run it and see what will happen. And before run it, so uh, to run it with testNg, so uh, I call the buffer method. So this one is the buffer class, this one is buffer method, and test for the login test, and test alert test, and the after method. So let's run it and see what will happen. Yeah, so like we see, we have please enter your username, and for the second one we enter the username but no password, so please enter your password. So we have all our information filled inside, and you click for save. Yes, so our name is here, so the customer is successfully made it added to the list, so everything is okay. And or here we see there is the total test run 2 on the pass, and 0 fire and 0 escape. And thank you for watching. Thank you so much, and have a good day. Thank you.